Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. So today we are in the heart of South Bay, San Diego, in a park called Rancho, Chula Vista. So it's practically in Chula Vista. So this park is an all ages park, but nevertheless is really quiet, very nice. You can hear the birds chirping here. It's very nice, spacious. This is the kind of park that everybody wants to live in. So, and this is the dream home as well. So today we have the full pack. Look at that. So it's a very big home. It's 1,670 feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's from 2004, but it's very renovated, as you will be able to see. So this is the first time we're promoting this home, and it's not going to last. But okay, come join me. I'll show you. So the first thing here is that this is in a corner lot, you'll see, and it's separated from the neighbors. So you see all that separation between the homes. That's really good in a mobile home park. So you can breathe, you are not too close to your neighbors. And the home is really fantastic. I mean, I always talk too much, but you will see how what I mean this time. Come on, follow me. So first of all, it has a really nice porch. So you see here, you can enjoy the view. It has some common areas of the park over there. All very nice and very well kept. And let's come in. As you can see, there's big furniture here, but it still looks big because this living room is really big. That's a very nice plus. So it has fans. There are fans in all the rooms. There's also air conditioning in the home, which is also a very good plus. And before I forget, they have a CCTV system that will just have to be connected, but is included with the sale, as well as the rest of the appliances. So come follow me to see the jewel of the crown here, which is the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. So it's really nice, and you have countertops, a space for a kitchen. It has for the table. You have several windows as well. Yeah, look how big this is. So and also it has it's open, quite open, not completely, but enough to give a good flow with the rest of the home. The appliances, they all include, of course, the stove and the microwave. The dishwasher doesn't work. Well, it's included as well. But yeah, maybe you can fix it, but not a lot of people uses it. And the refrigerator also conveys. That's included. But you see, you have plenty of cabinets. The floors are relatively new. They're laminated as well, and that's a good plus. And the same here in the dining area. There's a room for 6 people, and also from here you can see that this has really a lot of light. One of the nicest things I like about this home is look at all those windows. So there's plenty of light, natural light coming. Then this is the bedroom number 3. So it has with its closet, and like I said, has fans in every bedroom, besides the air conditioning. So this home is, and as you can see, the home is move-in ready, is really ready to go. Probably by now, a lot of people will be asking, what is the price? So, okay, the price is $280,000, which is very reasonable for a home this big in this area and this new, and it can be financed. Okay, if you need help with financing, for what I've heard, right now they're giving 5% down payment if you have enough good credit, but that's something that we can ask and put you in touch with a loan officer very easily. But yeah, so that is the home, and the rent of the space As far as we know, it's going to be around $1,200 a month. Okay, I need still confirmation from the park, so don't take that number as exact, but it's going to be around that. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see more bedrooms. So here is bedroom number 2, as well, with its closet. That is pretty spacious. You can see. That's really good. It has the fans as the other ones as well, and the width of the home is 28, and that makes everything much more wider than most of the homes. A lot of the homes are like 20 or 24 wide. This is 28, and that really makes a difference. Okay, and follow me, and this is the master. And let's start on this side. So it has a walk-in closet as well, very, very spacious. Again, it has a fan and the windows as well. Plenty of space. And this is the ensuite bathroom that has that's the vanity, really nice, and it has plenty of storage space on this side, which is good. And then you have the toilet and a walk-in shower that also really helps a lot, and it has, of course, the vinyl floors. Mm-hmm. Okay, so follow me. Let's look at the other bathroom. And again, when you're watching this, or you got any questions or comments, let me know. This is the bathroom number 2, as you can see, with the shower and the vanity and everything, and everything looks great and moving ready. This is the laundry room. Okay. And the washer and dryer are also included. And here, and you have a furnace for the heat and air conditioning, like I said. So there's nothing else to do in that sense in this home. Okay. And the shed, which is also very useful for storage, comes in as well. You have we're not gonna show it because there's a fence there. You have a little bit of yard at the back, not much, but follow me. And this is a nice carport that you have a space for 2 cars and a truck, or 3 cars as well. That's quite a good amount. And let me get here in the sun. So the park is very well located. Again, 10 minutes from the beach, near malls and schools, and it's very, very nice place. And let me recap then on the home. So this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, $280,000. It has 1,680 square feet. It's from 2004. Okay, and the address, we put it there, is 1011 Beyer Way, and space 50. We are in San Diego, California, 92154. Okay, the rent of the space is approximately $1,200, and I think I don't forget anything. Anyway, if there's something else that you want to know, feel free to ask. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more, and see you in the next one. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.